Hello everyone, and welcome to Knowledgehut. Although technical abilities may triumph over other qualities, when passing judgment on a software engineer's work, developers can anytime furnish themselves with soft skills that supplement technical skills and help them emerge from a heap of resumes. Watching this video will move you in the right direction to becoming a versatile software developer. On being asked about what they do at work, the majority of software developers answer along these lines. I write or code software, design systems, test, and so forth. We in general neglect the fact that these activities rarely are carried out alone. They are, for the most part, impacts of coordinated effort, include discourse, exchanges, and a sound portion of the discussion. In today's video, we will go through a number of skills which could improve your experience and outcomes as a software developer and suggest what you can do to improve them. Communication. Effective communication is the key both at work and at home. Developers are key parts of the team and are always willing to speak up in meetings, whether they're with staff or customers. A few things to remember to communicate effectively. Speak clearly and with conviction. Even if you are unsure of yourself, people will pay more attention to what you say if you say it with confidence. Listen. The best communicators invest as much energy listening as they do talking. Don't interrupt the person speaking. Give them a chance to state what they need to state, then chime in with your thoughts. Number 2, teamwork. No matter what you do, there will be a time when you have to work as a part of a team. Whether it's a team of developers, designers, or a project team, developers need to work well with others to be successful. Working well with others makes what you're working on more fun and makes people more likely to help you in the future. Developers should remain conscious of team goals and connect with colleagues regularly. You may not always agree with the people in your team, but having different points of view helps to build more successful companies. Number 3, empathy. Empathy is typically associated with being able to put yourself in the place of someone else. For developers, empathy is tied in with placing yourself in the spot of your colleagues and your clients. Being ready to empathize with your team enables you to completely comprehend the issues that they face and figure out how to make your undertaking work for everyone. Empathizing with your user, meanwhile, allows you to see things from their point of view. They're the ones that will be using your product, so you must always try to see things from their point of view before your own. Just because you like how something looks or works, that doesn't mean your users will. Decision-making should be about more than personal preference. Number 4, open-mindedness. In tech, open-mindedness is key. Open-mindedness ensures that we are able to adapt ourselves to the dynamic nature of our jobs. One aspect of open-mindedness is being able to listen to the opinions and ideas of others. If we properly listen and understand what others are saying, we have the chance to learn something new, build new ideas based on the ideas of others, more effectively drive the task at hand forward, cut down on unnecessary discussions in meetings. Open-mindedness does not mean we have to accept everything that is crammed down our throats. It does not mean we become pushovers and have to say yes all the time. Being open-minded means we are able to defer our opinions and judgment. At times, it is all too easy to be overly skeptical of a new idea or a new way of doing something just because we are not familiar with it. This could relate to a new project management method, a software tool, or an organizational change. Number 5, problem solving. Sooner or later in your profession, you're going to confront an issue. It could occur all the time, or it could be uncommon. However, it's unavoidable. How you can handle problems will affect both your career and the organization you work for. Critical thinking is a key expertise that employers search for in employees. So the more examples you have of problem solving, the better. When approaching a new problem, always view it objectively, even if it's one you created accidentally. When you comprehend what precisely the problem is, discover what caused it. Finding an answer is simple once you know the reason. Accountability. Accountability is all about taking ownership of your mistakes. It can be difficult to admit that a decision you made created an undesirable result. Yet in the long haul, both you and your manager will be in an ideal situation. When you avoid your mistakes, there's each shot that you or one of your colleagues will commit a similar mistake later on. Rather than running from what occurred, put your hand up and admit responsibility. Utilize the chance to break down what turned out badly, then use this data to fix the problem and teach you how to avoid similar mistakes. Time management. When you have a lot to do, knowing how to manage your time is crucial. How much time do you spend? Actually coding. Working with your team to come up with new ideas, we all have seen instances where developers get carried away in their rabbit hole of tech, only to discover too near to the deadline that the important bits of the project have been forgotten. Managing your time efficiently allows you to focus on what's most important and get tasks done more efficiently. Not giving something your full attention means that tasks take longer to complete and you're more likely to make errors. If you often multitask, prioritize your to-do list, then use techniques like Pomodoro and Kanban to help you focus. You'll be surprised how much faster you get things done when they have your full attention. Software industry emphasizes hard skills like languages and frameworks. Job seekers tend to undervalue soft skills, but demand for hard skills is increasing alongside that for soft skills. While you're focusing on the technical skills which are on demand, don't forget that soft skills are more and more crucial to your chances of landing your dream job. Soft skills sometimes don't get the attention they deserve, but they actually make the difference between getting a good job and getting a great job. If you're worried that your soft skills are not up to scratch, there's no need to worry. They're easy to improve because they're based on your personality. You simply have to put yourself in situations where you can hone them. Let us know in the comments section below what soft skills help you the most as a developer. Also, if there's anything you think we've missed, give it a thumbs up if you like the video. And for more such informative videos, subscribe to our channel.